In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for new hire onboarding. We'll walk through how to set up a team in ClickUp and explore the different views you can use to manage a new employee's first weeks. Follow along in your own workspace so you can apply this directly as we go. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and navigating to the team space where you manage onboarding. In the sidebar, look for the list that you use for your onboarding tasks, then open that list. This is usually where you'll track all the action items, documents, and training steps for a new hire, so it's helpful to have this open as your home base. Next, look toward the top or side of your screen for the area related to teams or team management. Click the highlighted section that takes you into your team's overview. From here, we're going to create a dedicated team that you'll use to organize the people involved in onboarding. In the Teams view, click on the Create Team button. A panel will open where you can type the name of your team. In the highlighted field, enter a clear descriptive name. For example, you might name it New Hire Onboarding or use the department name plus Onboarding, so it's obvious what this team is for. Once you've entered the name, click Create Team to confirm. You'll now be taken into the overview page for this new team. Here, go ahead and click on the option to add a member. This is where you'd add the new hire as well as managers, buddies, or HR partners who need to be part of the onboarding process. Adding the right people ensures they'll see the relevant dashboards, stand-ups, and workloads tied to this team. Across the top of the team page, you'll see several tabs. Click on Analytics. This area gives you a high-level view of how the team is doing. For onboarding, it's useful to keep an eye on completion rates and overall progress. Next, click on Priorities. This view helps you focus on what's most important for a new hire in their first days or weeks, like mandatory training or essential setup tasks. After that, go to Feed. This is where you can keep up with recent activity, which is helpful for tracking what the new hire has actually been working on. Then, click on Team. This section gives you visibility into everyone connected to the onboarding team. From there, move into Stand-Up. You can use this view for quick daily check-ins with your new hire, capturing what they're working on and any blockers they might have. Next, click on Workload. This helps you balance tasks across your team so your new hire isn't overwhelmed and your existing team members have a realistic support load. Then, open Timesheet. Here, you can see time entries, which can be useful if you're tracking how long key onboarding activities take. Finally, click on Add Member again from within the timesheet or team area to bring in any remaining stakeholders, and then use the highlighted confirmation to complete the process. With your team created, members added, and all these views explored, you now have a structured way to manage new hire onboarding in ClickUp from start to finish.